Carrot App Review 2025 Pros and Cons, honest and unbiased. The surprising truth about local marketplaces is that trust matters more than price. Carrot, also known as Carrot Market, focuses on neighborhood-based buying and selling in 2025. Carrot connects people within local communities to buy and sell items nearby. Unlike national platforms, Carrot limits visibility to nearby users, encouraging safer and faster transactions. Using the app is easy. You list items, chat with local buyers, and meet in person for exchanges. Many users appreciate the community feel and reduced shipping hassle. One major pro is safety. Profiles are tied to local verification, which reduces scams. Items also sell faster since buyers are nearby. However, you won't believe what happens next in less populated areas. Listings can be limited, and there is no built-in shipping option. In conclusion, Carrot is perfect for local buying and selling. If you prefer community-based transactions over shipping items nationwide, Carrot is a strong choice in 2025.